Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport convertible in blade silver metallic with black leather interior with the 3LT package. This is also the 60th anniversary edition. So it's got some goodies here in the trunk as well. We've got the original 2013 book. We've got the navigation disc, another booklet of cars from 2013. We've got the framed window sticker here, so I'll just hover over that for a second. You can just pause the video if you'd like to read it. And then we've got the original books there as well. We've got the cargo net cover here. Very nice, clean car, as you can see. Looks great. I'll just close this up and step back, let you have a look from back here. So we've got the quad exhaust pipes down there. Looks great. Reverse lights down on the bottom. Like the circular brake lights and turn signals, look great. With the 60th package, we've got the black wheels, so they look good. We've got the silver calipers and cross-drilled rotors, so they look great. And there's the 60th anniversary kick plate. And then we've got the Bose stereo. We've got power windows, power locks there. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And inside here, so we've got Corvette in the dash here. We've got some speakers up the top as well. Looks great. And just a really nice car. So in terms of the seat, we've got the perforated leather inserts. We've got the nice large headrests up the top. Really like this year of car. It's a really, really nice Corvette. So we'll just close that up, have a look at the door. We've got the side vent in the rear there. We've got the fin up the front with the Grand Sport logo, so that's great. And here's your front wheel, so no curb rash, no issues. Painted calipers and cross-drilled rotors there. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower paired to an automatic transmission. And it's in fabulous condition, as you can see. Everything is clean and neat. Looks great. We'll just close this up and we'll have a look at the front end. So with the anniversary pack there, we've got the black interior headlights there. We've got the nice scoop there in the center. It's got a chin spoiler down on the bottom. We've got the nice plate mount there as well. So, you know, it's not drilled into the bumper, it's just held between the grille piece there. In terms of issues, let's see if there's any stone chips. I don't see a thing on this car. So yeah, it looks great, in really, really good condition, as you can see. And we'll just go over to the driver's wheel. So here's the driver's wheel. Again, no curb rash, no issues. Painted calipers and cross-drilled rotors. Looks great. And same thing here on the back. Great shape. And on the driver's side, so we've got memory, 2-user memory, and we've got an exit button as well. We've got power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and there's your 60th anniversary kick plate again. Here's the seat. Leather's in really good shape. And over here, we've got our heads-up display. We've got our power top down there. We've got the dimming switch. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. All right. So let's fire this one up. There it is. So move the tilt. So it has manual tilt, which is on the side over here. So there's your tilt. On this side here, we have power telescoping. So as I push that, the wheel goes in. I guess I didn't close the trunk properly, but that's okay. Let's hit. There we are. So there's the odometer, 38,284. So nice and low mileage for the year. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. If you can see, there's your heads-up display there. And then over here, let's take a look. So there's our radio. So we've got radio, AM, FM, we've got XM radio. So that's all working. we've got nav. So, oh, the DVD's in the trunk, but it does have nav. And down here we've got our auto dual climate control, so for driver and passenger. And then we've got heated seats down here, cigarette ashtray, and move that back in. We've got the cup holder there, and traction control off. And then we've got this nice finish here as well. So that's great. And then under the center, we've got 12-volt socket, and back there we've got USB and line in. So that's all there. And let's do the power top. Oh, just got to close the trunk quickly, so that'll work. There we go. And let's get the top going. Lift that up a bit, unlock this, and let's drop it back down. There it is. Now I can lock it in, put the windows up, and there we go. So top is up, and I'll top out with it running. Let you have a look at the top. Top's in great shape, no rips, no tears. It's a little wet, we just washed it, but as you can see, it is in great shape. And here it is from the back running. Looks great. There you have it, folks. 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport convertible, 60th anniversary, with the black wheels and black headlights, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.